I do enjoy like the practical skills that we do, because we have an animal unit on site, and then we also do get to go to different farms during your practical days, and it is quite nice because you get to work with like the smaller animals on the unit, and then you get to go out and work with the bigger ones like your goats, your sheep and like your livestock animals. So we've got the animal care unit on site, and then we've got rodents, so your guinea pigs, your skinny pigs, we've got chinchillas, we've got like hamsters on there, we've got ferrets outside, we've got the goats outside as well, and some chickens and some ducks, and then we've got a reptile room and we've got snakes, snails, tortoises and bearded dragons, and then we do have a little aquatic area, so we've got some fish and axolotls, and it's just quite nice having a wide variety of animals to work with. We went to Cambridge University as a trip, and it was quite nice because that was they test on animals, so it was really nice to kind of see how they look after the animals. Our tutors are very nice, so they're friendly, accommodating, and then they'll help you if you need, even after hours. If you just drop them a message on Teams, they'll try and get back to you as quick as they can. For my work placement, I went to Coxmoor Kennels, and it was quite nice to kind of work in the kennel environment to see kind of what daily tasks you do get up to. Don't expect that it'll be all cuddling with animals, because you do have to clean them out and you will have to kind of get your hands dirty, but it is really nice to do. My plans for after the course next year is just to carry on to the next level and progress.